you are posting every single day on YouTube and you are still getting low views, you might actually be killing your channel, and I can prove it. I posted consistently on YouTube for every day and my video are still getting low views. They are stuck under 500 views most of the time. But the moment I change one strategy, everything changed. One of the biggest lies on YouTube space right now is just be consistent and you will grow. This sounds good, but not the full truth. You all need to know this. Because I've seen channels that post almost every day, that even have almost up to like 200 video, and they are still stuck under 100 views. So in this video, I'm going to show you what grows your YouTube channel and what to do to make your YouTube grow faster. So watch this video till the end. First of all, I want you all to know that consistency alone is not enough. You need to do some different strategies on YouTube. You need to work on some different strategies on YouTube before you can blow up, before you can get higher views. Do you understand? So it's not all about consistency. So let's dive in. The big lie, let's call it news breakdown. Let's get this straight. YouTube does not reward consistency. YouTube reward performance. And one more thing, YouTube does not care how hard you work. They only care about viewers' reaction. I hope you understand. So it's not all about consistency alone. And this is where it gets crazy. You posted 50 videos and you did not grow. Meanwhile, someone is there that just post 2 videos and blew up. You can see how YouTube work. So it's not all about consistency alone. There are different strategies that you still need to put together so your channel can get more views and you'll be able to go further. Now let's talk about how YouTube really works. YouTube don't promote channel, YouTube promotes videos, and before any video can go viral, they go through these tests. 1, people see it. If people see it, that means it's an impression. 2, do they click it? If they click it, that's CTR. 3, do they decide to watch it till the end? If they decide to watch it till the end, that's a retention. So if any of your video goes through this test and they pass, that means your video is going to go viral. But if your video fail any of these tests, your video dies. There will not be views, there will not be anything. Do you understand? Quick one, guys, let me show you something real. Earlier in 2025, when I started this YouTube journey, I believe consistency is the one that will make me to grow. So I decided to be posting every day, almost every day. I posted every day on my channel. So and my result is 100 views, 200 views. But later on, I start to focus on strategy. And the moment I start to focus on strategy, everything changed on my channel. I began to have 1,000 views, more than that sometimes. So all is not about consistency. Consistency alone can't do it. You need to focus on strategy. Now moving on to what actually grows a YouTube channel. There are only 3 things that actually grow a YouTube channel. 1, clickability. It's also known as CTR, click-through rate. You can have the best video in the world, but if nobody clicks it, it dies. We all know that. That's why you need to have a good CTR. People should be clicking your video. They need to watch your video. So if people don't click your video will die. And this is what to fix. You need to fix your title, thumbnail, and curiosity. 2, retention. When you are talking about retention, now if people click your video but leave too early, YouTube stop pushing your video. So this is what to fix. You need to fix your hook. Let your hook to be strong enough so it will hold the viewers. I hope you understand. 2, don't let your intro be too long. I hope you get my point. 3, you need to go straight to the point. Let them know what exactly they are going to learn from the video from right set. I hope you get my point. So you need to have a good retention. 3. Topic demand. Most of the time some topic gets natural demands. Like now, if there is trending news or you have trends on your YouTube channel, that you go ahead and take one topic from there and you do a content about it, so it will naturally get views. But most of the time your video does not get more views, not because your content is bad, but because people don't get really into that topic that you are talking about, or the topic does not have demand, or they don't care about it, or most of the time they don't care about the topic you use. So you need to use a good CTR topic, a click-through rate CTR topic, that if people see it like this, they definitely want to click and watch the video. I hope you get my point. So always go for a good title. It's very, very important. Quick one, guys. I noticed something recently on my channel. Anytime I post something related to motivation, average performance, but when I post YouTube goals, I have big performance. I hope you get my point. But I now noticed something particularly. Anytime I spoke about how people get paid on YouTube, or how people are withdrawing their YouTube monthly money, I will get more views. So in the light of this, I now come to realize that people are curious about the results. They actually want to know the results. So that's why the video is getting higher number of viewers. Now let's talk about big mistake most people make. Most beginners think they need subscriber first, so they decided to be posting random content or shorts on YouTube, which is not going to help them at all. You all need to know this. Subscriber comes after good content. So you all should stop posting random on your content on your YouTube channel. Be consistent of what you are posting. If you are posting YouTube vlog, you be posting the YouTube vlog. If you are posting shorts, be posting your shorts. So don't be posting random video on your channel with the hope of getting subscriber first. You have to know this, that once you are having good content, subscriber will definitely come. You need to know. And all these things will take process. Me too, I can remember vividly when I start my YouTube channel. I was once having like 50 subscribers. As time goes on, I have 100 subscribers. As I'm getting different contents, and my content is click worthy, people are subscribing to my channel because I deserved it. You need to know that subscriber is not something that you have to beg for. When you deserve it, you are definitely going to get it. When you deserve it, you get it. It's a reward. Moving on to the viral strategy. If you want to grow faster on YouTube, follow these steps that I'm going to mention. Step 1, find winning videos. Look for small channel in your niche, like 2k sub, 5k sub, but getting high views. That's the main point. You need to make sure that it's getting high views. Step 2, model, don't copy. You need to focus on some strategies that are working, like now the topic, angle, idea, but you need to make it better. I hope you understand. That's why I said don't copy. Step 3, you need to work on your thumbnail plus title. Your goal is simple, just make people to stop scrolling. That's just it. You need to make people to stop scrolling. So make sure that you're having good title and a good CTR thumbnail. I hope you all know the 3 steps you can make use of to grow faster on YouTube. Let's talk about consistency. The truth. Now, does consistency matter? Yes, but not how you think. Consistency help you to practice, but strategy is what make you to grow. So I hope you can see the difference now. Strategy is the one that will make you to grow, but consistency will make you to practice. So in the light of this, posting 7 videos in a week won't help you, but posting 1 video with good strategy is going to help you a lot, and it can change your entire life. So if you are watching this right now, here is what to do to grow your YouTube channel faster. Focus on your niche, post with strategy. It's not all about consistency alone. You need to post with strategy. Stop rushing upload, focus on CTR plus retention, and post 1 or 2 great video weekly. This is going to help you to grow your channel faster. So if you have any topic you want me to talk about, put it in the comments below. I'm going to talk about the topic. And one more thing, if you have any question you want to ask me, put it in the comments below. I will respond to it. Now if you are still posting every day on your YouTube channel and you are not growing, stop. You need to focus on these things. Improve your title, improve your thumbnail, and post with strategy. So watch what is going to happen in the next 7 days. You are going to see the drastic change. I promise. Keep creating, never give up. So as you are watching this video, make sure you like, subscribe to this channel, share with friends so they can see and gain more insights on how to grow their YouTube channel. Like, follow, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. And one more thing, if you want me to analyze your YouTube channel, just comment analyze in the comments below. Comment analyze. I'm going to analyze your YouTube channel in the next video. See you in the next one. Keep creating. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Quick one, guys. I've been building something special outside of YouTube, and I want you all to be part of it. Now I've created different type of social media platform to promote this YouTube channel. So now I have TikTok, Instagram, Discord, and Facebook, and the link is right in my YouTube bio. So all you have to do now is just to go to my YouTube bio, click the links on my YouTube bio, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and join my Discord community. I promise you will regret doing this. And once you do this, just send me a DM and tell me you are from YouTube. I promise I'm going to reply to your text. See you in the next one. Bye. Keep creating and subscribe to this YouTube channel.